Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with a new project to share with you. So let's take a look. So hi guys, I am super excited to share with you my newest project. I am using my Sweet Valentine paper collection that I create every month for my Patreon. So this is the collection for the month of February, and I also do have a full tutorial for this book up on my Patreon, but I just wanted to do the final walkthrough. I am in love with this book. The collection is so sweet, very cute, and I love this double folio style album that I created. If you're not part of my Patreon, I'm gonna have the link down below if you want to check it out. If not, I'm going to also be having this as a video class only option on my website, so I'll link it below. But now let's go ahead and take a look. So this book measures 9 by 8 inches, and as I mentioned, it is a double folio, so you can easily just create these two sections separately and just have two very interactive folios on their own. The spine is 2 inches, and again the digital collection is my own as well, which will be linked down below. On the front here I have this wooden frame that I had on my stash, and then these tiny little flowers. These are fabric flowers that I purchased at Joann's some time ago, and I thought it would be really cute here around my frame. You can of course add a picture there, and I just did a little collage of the collection here, and I think this collection is so sweet. I just love it so much. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So as you open this book, like I said, you have two different interactive sides here, the different folio sections. So we're gonna start with this side here. So we have a sweet image of this little duck on her house. Look how cute she's collecting her flowers for her Valentine's celebration. And then this opens up like this. It's gonna probably be a little hard to share this book because it's quite large, but I'm going to try my best. And also, this is going to be a book that I'm keeping for my kids' pictures. I'm going to do kind of like a collection of all their Valentines since they were little. So I have some homework to do and just find all the pictures. But I think this would be really cute to have all of those memories treasured on one book. So with that said, I left some pages just with the black cardstock to avoid some of the bulk, and I will be putting pictures on that. And over here you can add a picture on the top, or you can use this light color cardstock to just add a dedication there as well. So this opens up like this, some of the background pages from the collection and some of the beautiful images. This opens up here. This is probably one of my favorite pages too. I think it's just so cute. And then over here we have a beautiful coffee cup and some books, and then this is a place for a picture, but this is also an easel card, so this can fold up and you can add a picture there and just have it as a beautiful display. Then over here again, place for a picture. You can just simply add a picture there, but I wanted to decorate a little bit with the paper collection. And then, and this is a sliding section, so you can add again more pictures or journaling. I just love these little hidden places if you want to put some secret journaling maybe there. And then this closes up like that. And then this also is of course a pocket, so you can add some pictures here on the back as well, so I just left that blank for now. And then here on this pocket I added that floating pocket that I created. This is a free tutorial and I will link it below. It's, I think, the most recent video that I posted. So it's one of these interactive floating pockets, and then here this just slides to the side, and then this opens up, so you can add pictures there or do journaling there as well. Now the fun thing about these little interactive pockets is that you can actually glue these onto your layouts if you wanted to add it to your mini albums, or you can clip it into one of the pages. But since I have a pocket here, I just went ahead and put that in there. And then this whole thing opens to the side, and we have the first pop-up page here. So I'm using these fuchsia coordinating cardstock from Recollections. I just really like how happy and vibrant this pink is, so I'm really into this hot pink color right now, so I just really love it. Over here, place for a picture, you can put 4x6 landscape pictures on this pop-up, and of course more pictures on the back. And I just added some of the ephemera from the collection, and then this whole page opens up here, so large place for a picture there. And then over here we have this sweet little bunny on the window, and then again, place for a journal. This opens to the side, and then this opens up here again. So you will see a lot of pink because I know I'm gonna be putting pictures here, but of course with a digital collection you can always reprint as many pages as you like if you wanted to have more of the design paper there. Then over here we have another pop-up, so I'm gonna try to move these this way so you can see. So we have a large pop-up here as well, so you can put 4x6 pictures, and then also we have a layer opening flap. Maybe it's hard to see on the black, but again, this will be filled with pictures. So these flaps are, I think, 4x3.5 or something like that. So these two open up here, so you can put your 4x6, then you can put your 4x4, and then when you close it, you can see the layers of that. And I do have magnets there, as you can see, and then this whole thing will close, and then this will close here. And then this page, this whole thing also opens down. So like I said, a lot of places for pictures and a lot of secret pages that just keep coming. So back here, just a large area for a picture. You can put an 8, I think this is 7.5 by 8.5. So you can put one of those big portraits, which I know I have, so I'm excited to put those in there. And then over here at the center, just again the design paper. This opens to the side, some of the background, and then I left this blank because honestly I just want to print more pictures, but I was really excited to just do the video for you guys, so I'll be putting more, I'll be printing more as I fill these with pictures. Then this whole thing also opens down, and over here we have 5 by, I think these are 5x6 little places for pictures, and this is a pull down waterfall, and so a lot of, again, a lot of places for pictures. And then back here a large 6x7 or 6x8 place for picture there. So now we're gonna close this and close this whole thing, and then close this side, and then that is all this one side of the folio. And then on this other side we have the little bunny on his house. I just love how, you know, he decorated his house so pretty. Again, you can put a picture along the top, or maybe like a small little 4x4. And if you don't want to write on the cardstock, you can always write something on the side and just glue it there on like a little journaling card. And then this opens here. We have another background page. Same here as well. When I design my papers, I always like to put the images to the side, so that way we can still add some pictures or journaling on the page. Then this opens here. And then again here at the center, place for journaling or pictures. And then this opens up, and this is my favorite page of this book, and it's something that I haven't tried before and I'm excited to share with you. So we have a tower pop-up page, so I'm just gonna move the book like this so you can see the tower growing. And then I decorated this with some of the little ephemera animals here. Just fuzzy cut these around and put them on the sides, and then you can add pictures here. This is left open so the picture can go back there. So you have 1, 2, and 3 levels on this tower page, and it was really fun to make pictures there. So each level is a little bit smaller, so I think this is a 4 by or 4.5 by 4.5 or 4.5 by 5. I can't remember. And then this one is 4 by 4, and then the top is I think a 3 by 3 or something like that. But yeah, really fun page. And then of course you have the sides here to add more pictures as well. So I just wanted to do this one more time. Super fun. And of course I didn't want to add cardstock to avoid the bulk, so mainly the pictures will just go right onto that black cardstock, and I love how these came out. So then this whole page opens up, and then we have again another background there, and then here we have a cute little gatefold. So what I did with this image is when I printed these to 40% on the reduction scale. So I do have a video on how I resize the digital papers from my collections particularly, and how you can get a 6 by 6 or a 7 by 7 size. And so that's what I did here. I resized this page to make it a little bit smaller. And then this opens up like that, and then over here we have a double pop-up here. So these are platform pages. They're both kind of coming up from the page, and then you can put 4 by 3 pictures there as well. And of course you can fill everything with pictures, but I just wanted these two to kind of stand out. Then this whole thing opens down, and I left this blank because honestly there's just too many places, and I was, like I said, ready to film the walkthrough. And then over here we have these. Again, this is another one of my favorite pages. I just love how romantic these birds are. And then this opens up like that, and then here we have a dimensional pocket, and so this actually comes out and it's its own little folio. And so over here this opens up like that, and large places for pictures, just something here from the ephemera. And then this also opens to the side, so again you can do some journaling, add a picture there. And then this also opens again, and I left the center blank, but these are 5 by 6 large layouts. So I do have a lot of 5 by 7 pictures from the studio when my kids were little, and would always go to take Valentine's pictures at the studio, and so those can easily be added here. Just trim the 5 by 7s a little bit, and then these two open up, and then you can have a large picture at the center. And then on this side here, another one of the ephemera, place for picture, and then this also opens up, so lots of places for pictures on this booklet alone. And then the dimensional pocket, so you can definitely add even more photo mats in here. And then this closes, and then this closes here on top. And then finally on this right side we have looks like a little belt here, flap. And then this opens to the side. I just added one of the design pages here, and I still need to finish up this side here. But over here we have a gatefold, so this opens up like that. And I think on this gatefold I might just do another pop-up like we did before. It just depends if I have a small pictures. And then this opens up like that, so again we have more places there for pictures that I still need to print more of my backgrounds and finish those up. And so that is the double folio using the My Sweet Valentine collection. So now I do want to say, if you go on my website, I have 2 My Sweet Valentine collections, so make sure that you are looking at the cover because the other one was from last year. I just realized I called them the same, so I'll probably have to change the name. But for now, that is what it's called. And I hope that you guys like the walkthrough, and I want to thank all my Patreons so much for all your support, and I hope that you guys can join Patreon and enjoy all the fun of the new digital collections every month and the new tutorials every month there as well. And I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.